Guys, welcome to OMG. So today we'll be talking about earning money from Facebook. So have you ever thought of earning money from your social media, that too in Facebook? Yeah, there's a way. So for that, what you have to do is sit back, take a coffee and relax. And the money keeps rolling even when you are at sleep. So never miss this chance. Give it a try and stay till the end. So, in Facebook monetization, first and foremost, your page should be as a video creator and not as a personal blog. Personal blogs and other business blogs will not be monetized. Only video creator can monetize the page. So, to make a video creator, you can actually add that in categories tab in your profile. So now in order to get into monetization tab, you have to click on to creator studio in your page, and it is same as YouTube only. Other platforms, click monetization and you will be able to see your page monetization goal. So you should be able to achieve all these things within a 60-day count. So if you are able to achieve that, you can get monetized. The main thing is only your videos can be monetized, not the static image post or your word post. It cannot be monetized. Only videos can be monetized. Make 3-minute long videos, and more than that it will be taken in account. So make more longer videos. As you can see on the screen, you should be having minimum 1000 followers. You should have 1,80,000 minutes viewed within 60 days, and you should be having 15 post engagements, and 1 minute of 3-minute video should be watched. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now coming on to the rules of monetization, I will just brief out with what are all the important rules you have to know before starting off with monetization or apply or even applying for that. First one is community standards. As you know, community standards is important and you have to follow that. You have to avoid graphic violence. You should not show nudity or hate speech or unsafe content or unauthorized content. So if you are having any of these, you won't be able to monetize your page. So in that first one, content monetization policy. What is content monetization policy? So according to what type of content you have uploaded, you will get monetized. So the main thing is you have to upload a video, and that video should not be static. Static in the sense it should not be an image scrolling over with a music or a voice. It should not be like that. It will not be monetized. And it should not be like static image polls. It should not be a poll like image, graphic image having polls. It should not be like that, like quizzes and all. And another one is like no slideshows, no looping videos. Looping videos are like repetitive content. And another one is text montages, which are like having a background and explaining few things. And another one is embedded ads. It should not be having already existing ads in that. So these type of contents won't be able to monetize. Another one is engagement bait and soliciting engagement. Engagement bait is like you are faking the news and making people engaging in your content. So that type of behavior will not be allowed in Facebook. And restricted categories. So according to restricted categories, you should not be debating on social issues, like going against with that, and you should not be objectionable. It should not be objectionable content. It should not have tragedy, sexual or other adult contents, and it should not have explicit content and misinformation, and most importantly it should not have any medical misinformations, and it should not be related to politics and government. So these are all very important according to content monetization. And according to partner monetization policies, you have to follow community standards, and you will be following all those content monetization. And you should make sure that you are sharing only authentic content. And another important thing is you should be sharing only original content created by you. You should not share any others video or even videos from movies, clips, nothing. You have to share only your own original content which is made by you. And that content should not be like Creative Commons. If it is, you have to show the proof like it is from Creative. You cannot take Creative Commons videos from YouTube and upload to Facebook, because you might get banned in Facebook, because that person might have already claimed it as their own. So be careful with that. And another one is monetizing with authentic engagement. You should not use bots or other paid one to get more engagements, and you should not fake it anyway, and following their payment terms is nothing you will get after monetization. And another one is your page terms. You will be having one page where you can actually check whether your page is going on with properly or not. You can just check it within your page tab. You'll be having that. Check your policy issues. You'll be having that. And another one is like you have to follow rules for political and government people. They have separate rules because they won't be able to monetize it if you are a political or government party. So that's all about this one. If you are demonetized in any way and you have just posted your own content, Facebook by mistake can actually demonetize you. If you are really sure that the content is yours, you can go forward with Facebook policy to claim it. You can appeal to Facebook and wait for it to get back to you, and by that way you can actually avoid your demonetization and get it back remonetized. Even after monetization, make sure that you're not violating any of these Facebook rules, because by violating any one rule you might lose the ability to monetize it again, and all the pages linked to that account will also get demonetized with that. Another one more thing is Facebook likes advertiser friendly content, so make sure your content is advertiser friendly. Advertiser friendly in the sense, make content which people can actually advertise in between your videos, because post roll ads and ads will be rolling in between your videos when it goes on. So if it is related to your content, it will be nice and people will be able to watch it and click through it. Click through rate will be high. And last but not the least, I'll talk about the page demonetization. Page demonetization is if you keep on posting contents which are under copyrights, you'll lose your page. So make sure you don't do that. So that's all for now. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye.